Bootstrap what here? Progress bar. So we need to create a progress bar also. How to create a Bootstrap progress bar? I will show you here. Example 1. So see, to create a progress bar, we need to use progress class. So let me go to the what here? Diff class. What I'm using? Progress. Progress I have taken. And see this. Whenever if I take progress, one brown color, something will come. I mean, light gray color box came. But do you think that is it looking like a progress bar? No. Progress is just progress. So what we need to do along with this, we need to take contextual class. So I need to say progress hyphen what? Bar. How much percent you want? Assume that 50%. Progress bar, I'm telling how much percent? So first progress, inside progress, what we want? Progress bar, up to how much percent? See the magic, refresh. But it is not taking 50%, na sir. It is taking some percent. How much is our text? 50%, it is taking that much only. So how to take 50%? Here we need to use our own CSS. CSS means we need to write what tag? Style. I can say width is equal, colon is equal, colon, how much percent? 50%. Now you see this. Refresh. Now it is taking how much? 50%. Sir. Now you got an idea. How to take the first progress bar example, I understood. Now I will go to the what is second example. Second example is nothing but I need a progress bar stripped. What I'm using? Stripped progress bar. Stripped progress bar means, see this? Refresh. What comes? Lines comes like zebra, stripped. Understood my point here? No? So like this we can use if you need strip progress bar. Next I want to go to the what here? Example 3. We have one more class, animated. What is there here? So let me say progress bar. What I'm using? Animated. So now you can see this, refresh. What you can find? Animated. So like this we can see the animated if you want. So there are multiple ways are there, sir, to do this example. Example 4 I want to do. But sir, color is coming only what here? Blue color only. Na? I need a info color. So nothing you need to do. You just go to BG. What I'm writing? Info. So last time blue color was coming. Now refresh. Info color. You don't need info. You can go for what here? Danger. Otherwise, you can go for what? Success. Refresh. So you can make it different percentage. 25%. Here also we need to mention what? 25. Here I'm telling 75%. So let me say what here? 75. Save this. And according to this, it works. If you need the gap, you can mention what? BR. If you need the gap in the middle, because it looks nice if you have a gap. Understood my point here now? So like this, we can take different colors if you want. So I hope you people understood how we are working with what? Progress bar. But still there is a problem is there with progress bar, sir. What is that problem? Example 5. Example 5. See the problem with progress bar. See, what is the problem is there with progress bar, you know. Assume that I am taking only one progress bar. So, okay, sir, we got one progress bar here. This is one progress bar. Here I am taking only 2%. How much percent? 2%. Definitely I'm taking 2. Instead of info, I'm giving what here? Warning. So see this is the 2%. But see this problem, can you see that one? 2% it is showing properly. So if your value is minimum, you can't see that one. For 20, 30, okay, no problem. But for 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%, can you see the value? It's not visible to us. So that is the reason for small values, we will say here, we will say minimum width I want. Minimum means whenever you start, minimum I want. Minimum how much I want? Assume that I am giving 20 pixel. Minimum how much I am asking? 20 pixels, sir. Save this. I only took here. I took minimum width I want 20 pixel. Semicolon. Now see this. Whenever it runs, minimum it comes with what? 20. Now you take small value, big value, no problem. Minimum it will starts with 20. Understood my point here now? So that facilities is also there with the progress bar. So progress bar having this issue if you have small value. So like this we can cover that. We can recover that situation like this. Understood up to here?